Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to set someone's nickname on Discord. So let's get started. First, find the person that you want to set a nickname for. For example, I am going to set a nickname for this person right here. So you're just going to right click. Once this menu pops up, you're going to click Add Friend Nickname. Now just type in the nickname you want for your friend. Oh, and keep in mind that if you want to set a nickname for someone, you have to be friends with them first. Otherwise, you cannot set a nickname for them. Anyway, once you're done, hit save. As you can see, the nickname we put has been set. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.